Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to do something. Got some Brussels sprouts, and you know everybody loves Brussels sprouts. But we're going to do something a little different with them. Instead of roasting them or doing them up with the bacon, we're going to do a Brussels sprout slaw. So we're going to shred them up, and it's almost going to be like a coleslaw, but with Brussels sprouts. So we still want to clean them up a little bit, so we're going to go ahead and get these, and we're just going to nip the ends off. Now, a lot of times when we clean them, we'll go ahead and we'll hit them in that pan, you know, to knock the loose leaves off. We don't really need to because we're going to, since we're making the slaw, we're going to need them anyway. So let's do that. And then we've got a little red onions. We've got some macadamia nuts. We've got a little caraway seeds, a little rice wine vinegar, and some salt and pepper. Good to go. So I'm just going to shred these up. You can shred them on a little hand grater if you want, or you can do them in your food processor, just do the slicer blade. And like I said, we're just gonna do these up. So you know, if you're doing a big batch of them, you might have to empty it once. But I think we're just going to do a little small bowl for you here. And like I said, we're going to use all those little leaves up. Why not? Make sure it's off and go ahead and get that. But you see, shreds it all up just beautiful. So there we go. So we got that. And then we're going to take and we're going to do a little bit of red onion in there. And I like on the red onion, I'm just going to do like a little fine julienne. I'm probably going to go ahead and cut it in half. You know, so we'll cut it in half. And like I said, just to make things easy. And we're just going to do a little fine julienne with that. And we're just sort of following the radius of the onion. And you don't need a lot. You know, how much you like, but I just like a little bit. Seems like it helps give it a little, gives it a little something in there. So we've got a little red onion. We've got some macadamias, and we're just going to put these in. You can mash them up a little bit if you like, but I already sort of gave them a little whack with the back of a pan. And we've got a little caraway seed. So we're going to do a little caraway seed in there. And then the dressing is really just a little rice wine vinegar. It's got the little sour, you know, the little bit of the tang, and the little bit of the sweet. Little salt and pepper, and this is good to go. And this is one of those ones, again, for Brussels sprouts, something different to do. It's fun, pretty, colorful. Make this a little bit ahead, and you want to let it sit. Now this one you do, again, like any kind of slaw, you're going to want to make it a little bit ahead. You know, make it at least half hour or an hour ahead. And that'll let the dressing all soak into that. But you see, look at the beautiful colors in there. It's bright, it's crispy. You can do all sorts of fun things with Brussels sprouts. But anyway, so here we go. So we've got our Brussels sprout slaw. And if that's set for an hour, it's going to be perfect. This is how we do it here. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. We've got our Brussels sprout macadamia slaw. Hope you enjoy that. Let me know. Go ahead and like and subscribe and enjoy. Thank you.